Ever wish you could just freeze your credit card interest legally and give yourself a real shot at debt freedom? Imagine pressing pause on those sky-high rates for up to 21 months. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's the catch. Most people using 0% balance transfer cards actually end up in more debt. But you're about to learn how to be in the winning minority. Let's flip the script on debt globally. Welcome to Ever Wealthy, your no-fluff guide to smarter money moves. Whether you're chilling in Chennai, hustling in Houston, brunching in Brisbane, or budgeting in Birmingham, today we're breaking down 0% balance transfer cards. You'll get the real strategy, the real risks, and the real math, tailored for wherever you call home. What are 0% balance transfer cards? Let's get straight to it. A 0% balance transfer card lets you move your existing credit card debt to a new card where you pay zero interest for a set period. That's your breathing room. Here's a quick summary. In the US, you can get the longest 0% balance transfer periods, up to 21 months, but you'll pay higher transfer fees of 3–5%. The UK and Australia strike a good balance, offering 6–24 months at lower fees of 1–3%. Canada gives you 6–12 months with similar fees, while India has the shortest 0% period, 3–12 months, but the lowest transfer costs, usually just 1–2%. So if you want more time, US cards are best. If you want lower fees, Indian cards are the winner. And UK-Australia sit comfortably in the middle, offering both decent timeframes and reasonable costs. But here's what banks won't highlight: that transfer fee. Always factor it in. The real math. Let's say you've got $5,000 or Rs 4 lakh, $4,000, etc. at 24% interest. That's over $1,800 in interest per year. Move it to a 0% card with a 3% fee. You pay $150 up front, but save $1,050 in interest. That's a vacation, an emergency fund, or an investment. Your call. But if you just pay the minimum or don't clear the balance before the promo ends, you're back on the financial hamster wheel, sometimes at even higher rates. The 7 deadly mistakes. Let's make sure you don't become a debt statistic. Here's what trips up most people. Racking up new debt on your old card, don't do it. Missing the transfer window. Most cards give you 60–90 days. Paying only the minimum, you'll never finish on time. Making new purchases. These often aren't at 0%. Ignoring the post-promo rate, some cards jump to 29% plus. Not comparing offers. Terms and fees vary wildly. No payoff plan, don't wing it, map it. The success formula. Here's your step-by-step playbook. Tally your debt and decide your monthly payment target. Research cards in your country. Look for longest 0% period, lowest fee. Apply for one. Don't shotgun applications, it hurts your credit. Transfer as soon as you're approved. Don't lose days. Divide your total debt by the promo months. That's your monthly payoff goal. Lock away old cards, out of sight, out of mind. Set up auto pay for more than the minimum, aiming to finish 2–3 months early. Real success story. Meet Sarah from Toronto. She had $12,000 across 3 cards at 22%. She found a 0% transfer card for 12 months, paid a $240 fee, and saved $2,600 in interest by paying $1,100 a month. In 11 months, debt-free. That's the power of using these cards right. Country-specific power moves. US check credit unions, often the best deals. UK transfers often must be done within 60 days. Don't procrastinate. Canada, try your current bank first for better approval odds. Australia, look for deals around the end of the financial year. India, ask your bank to match competitor offers. Sometimes they will. 0% balance transfer cards aren't magic. They're a tool. Use them right, and you could save thousands and fast-track your debt-free journey. Use them wrong, and you're just digging a deeper hole. Ready to take control? Drop your country in the comments and I'll reply with the best local tips. Smash that like if you want more real-world strategies. No jargon, just results. And if you're serious about clearing debt, check out the rest of the videos in my debt clearance series. Let's get you ever wealthy, one smart money move at a time. See you in the next one.